Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Wuthering Waves stuck on verifying file integrity error on your Windows PC. Make sure to watch the video to the end not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Now, what you can do is firstly wait on the application once it gives you that notification for a couple of minutes, because sometimes it's an error from securing the application, connecting it to the website and the web servers for the game itself. But if that doesn't work out, then what you can do is close this window and then on your Windows PC, search for firewall and network protection. From here, you're going to go and allow an app through firewall. And then from here, you're going to click on change settings and then add another app, then browse. And then you're going to search for whatever you downloaded, Wuthering Waves. Usually for a lot of people, it's going to be on local disk C, and then program files or program files 86. And then they're going to search for Wuthering Waves right here. And then once you find the application, click on it and then add open and allow it to go in. Once you do that, you click on add and then you click on done and you close it and you close everything. A final step that you can do is, let's pretend that this is the launcher. You can search for the launcher and then right click on it, then go to properties. Then from here, you're going to set the compatibility to always run as administrator. This might help you a lot with cranking through the settings and hopefully will fix the file integrity verifying error. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.